Back out here at White's service station and salvage today. Established 1947. All right, we're back out here at White's service station and auto salvage today. And I couldn't help but see these old school buses. These things are just too cool. Probably from the 40s. Man, there's a bunch of them too. Let's check these things out. This is where they keep all the parts. This is probably from the older generation stuff. It's crazy. So much cool stuff. It's all brake hubs and stuff. And this stuff has probably been in here for years. You need some old brake hub, look for this bus when you come out here. Now this is probably from the 30s. More hubs. Old shells. That's so cool. This is going back in time right here. Ton of hubcaps. Got some Chevrolets. Some Dodge. Looks like some Pontiac maybe. Not sure. Window crank regulators. Window motors. Can't help but notice this old motor home too. This is one old motor home right here. Check this thing out. See if we can find a tag on it. It says Hart, H-A-R-T. It's made out of galvanized metal. Man, this thing is sweet. It's gotta be 60s, maybe even 50s. More buses. Good night. Need a bell housing? Check this out. About any kind of bell housing you can think of. Tell you what, if you need a part, you need to call these guys. Look at this. I think they call that a badonky donk or something. I don't know. Something. I ain't sure. this C40 school bus. Tell you what, make a cool rig right there. Old Thomas built buses. There's another one. These school buses make awesome storage. These buses are full of older generational parts, y'all. If you need anything, check that bad boy out. I love the old turn signal lights. All kinds of small accessories, brackets, y'all, for any kind of car, shifters, you name it, pulleys. You want to do something custom, they're here. Very helpful. Look at them lights right there, y'all. That's so cool right there. You see the turn signal?
Yeah, that's cool.
They're so awesome. Billy Jean's with me today. We're back out here at White's. I just love it out here. Look right here. Look at this hat. 75 years in service. White's service station and salvage. What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, that's a...
Looks really cool.
Is that an Opel GT?
I don't know.
I think it is. It's what they call an Opel GT. Teresa used to have one.
It is a GT. I see that on the board.
Yep, Opel GT. They kind of look like mini Corvettes.
It does.
Yep, Opel GT. I don't know the year of this thing. Somewhere in the 60s. I think I'm leaving now. That means leave. Yeah, you want to buy it?
Yeah.
Make you a food truck?
Yeah.
Check that out. This is for firewood, y'all. They heat with firewood here. And look at their little firewood stand. That's too cool. Gotta have somewhere to keep your firewood. Red Bank Stables, Germanton, North Carolina. Awesome. Red Bank Stables. Must have been a old horse trailer or something. Oh, look at this panel. What's it say on it? Slate Cash Wholesale. Since 1949. All right, we're in Old Truck Alley over here. We'll show you in a minute. It's old C50. I don't know what this car is here. I want to say Datsun or something, but I don't really know. I don't really know what this old dude is. Not sure. Seen some advertising here. Low Smith Auto Parts. Panel truck. Tell you what, some of these are some fixer-uppers. Look at this Ford right here. Not a bad truck. She's all there.
Motorcycle police.
Goodness. This is one rare truck. I don't know, this might sound crazy, but this is an extended bed. This has got the 9-foot bed on it. I ain't never seen one. Just saying. RF Harrell Plumbing and Heating. That's 6 foot. 7. This truck has got a 9-foot bed on it. I ain't never seen one. You ever seen one, Billie Jean?
Nope, sure haven't.
Look how long this step is, y'all. There's my foot. And you can tell it ain't been pieced together neither. 9-foot truck bed, step side. Let me know out there if y'all have ever seen one. I ain't never seen one in my life. And I've seen a lot of old trucks. But let me know if y'all have seen one out there. Pretty interesting. Old Chevrolet. Old Ford Conner line. Boy, that truck's got a pretty green on it, don't it? I like that green color. Tell you what, y'all, it is hot out here today because for the first time since I've been recording, I had the camera die because it was too hot. Just saying. Now right here is a Ford twin I-beam truck cab, early 60s, and y'all, I ain't gonna kid you, it's in good shape if you're looking for one. The cab especially, with the whole front end, well, what's left of it. I only see a little rust right here, and it ain't bad. Yeah, the floor's got some, but overall these rockers are solid. Good looking truck cab right here. Chevy. Pretty mountain view back there with all these old trucks. Holy mackerel, Batman. They would have put some wheels on them things and buried the wheel a little bit and make it a low rider. Yeah. Tuck them up under there. It's a good looking row right there. I like these old cabs too. I ain't even gonna try to butcher it. It's a Ford, Chevy, or Dodge. More likely a Ford or Chevy. This is a Ford, a 1930s, late 30s, early 40s Ford, Chevy, or Dodge cab. How about that? And I'm gonna lean towards Chevrolet. But there I go again, trying to figure them out. This is one heck of a piece of block of wood right here now. Boy howdy, look at the size of that girl. That's a big old chunk of tree right there. How's that shade over there, Billie Jean?
Loving it.
You seen old Power Wagon last time. Boy, there's a lot of trucks. Gotta love that green color. Pretty cool. Tell you what, if you got a center cap you're missing and you need one to match, Nissan Z, Mustang, little button cap, whatever, rare stuff. American AMC Motors, Volvo, Chevrolet, Pontiac, Nissan. You're missing one, you need to match it up. Give them a call. They got them. Look at that Toyota. I don't even know what this is. SHO. Is that turbo Ford car? Chevrolet. Just everything. Little Toyota caps. GMC. Dodge. Honda. Anything you can think of. Buick. Need an original set of hood hinges. They got a mark. 77 Cutlass. 71. 69 Le Mans. 68 Nova. You need hood hinges? Give them a call. They got it all. Alright, run across a van full of old Kragers. Old Keystone Kragers. Old Slicks. Old step van. Largest and the best. I don't know what that is. There's some intakes. Ford electronic fuel injection. Intake setups. It is full. All kinds of intakes, y'all. Dodge, Ford, Chevy. Look at this old school 4.0 liter Jeep. If you need an intake, give them a call. I think we found another van full of intakes. 88 Ford. I don't even know what all. Nissan V6 5.0 liter Ford. Tons of intakes, y'all. Carb setups, intakes, fuel injection setup. Looks like valve covers. Aluminum valve covers. Big block valve covers back in there. Oil pans. Original valve covers, aftermarket. Time and chain covers. Check out these old mobile homes, y'all. Mobile homes are hot right now. Man, that is a cool one right there too.
Yeah, check it out inside.
Have you been in it?
I just walked in the door.
Oh my goodness, look at this, y'all.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Peerless Mobile Homes. Come on in my house here, folks. Check me out. You need a grill. You need a tail light. You need a grill and tail lights, flashers, marker lights. You name it.
They just might have what
They just might have it, y'all. And these things, some of them's probably been in here for years, so they haven't been left out in the sun. Just for instance,
speedometers.
This one here. It's full in here, y'all. I mean, there's just rows and rows of tail lights. Don't ask me what kinds and what all they are. Just call White's Service Station and Auto Salvage, and they can tell you what they got. They got some nice grills too. Here's Chevrolet, old school Chevrolet here, 70s, 90s, Dodge, Ford. Tons of tail lights, hoods, grills, speedometers. They're in here, y'all. Just call them and ask them.
Right,
some livers off a darn Camaro or something.
Yep.
I don't even know. Here's an old school Chevrolet grill right here. Looks like a Chevelle or Impala. They got the inventory. I'm gonna tell you what, this thing is not leaking.
No, that's right.
I'm gonna tell you what, let's turn the lights on in here. Oh my goodness. Bunch of lights in here, but there ain't no lights. Bring your flashlight. This is one cool motor home. Let's go this way. Mobile home, mobile home. The old school bus right there. Old 60s. First Baptist Church, Lexington. There. Alright, if you need a fan, a motor cooling fan, or a pulley, call White's if you need a pulley. Look at this. Fans. You have to check with them. I'm not sure if they ship or whatnot, but they may. I guess if you need it and they got it and you want it, you know, they'll try to get it to you if they can. Look at the pulleys in here. Spacers. All kinds. Years and years of work here, y'all. Generational. They put into work, y'all. Need a rear axle? They got them too. Look down through there, y'all. My battery's going dead. 69 Torino. 67. 63, 65, 62. They got it labeled, y'all. You need something, give them a shout. If y'all need an original breather set up, give them a call. They might have it. I don't know what's in here, but there's a lot of original style breathers. Aluminum, steel, metal, oblong. Don't have a clue, but they're in here. Old style breathers, oil bath. Give them a call. Jeep doors, tailgates, original fenders, y'all. Look at this fender. K10 fenders. K10 fenders, tailgates, 80s, all kinds. Doors, fenders, Monte Carlo, 76, Skylark. Right here is a 76 Regal door trim pieces. Your bow tie GMC trim pieces right here for tailgates. Fenders, Mustang, 65, 66, 66 deck lids. Tons of it, y'all. Tons of parts out here. You need a distributor? Call White Service Station, y'all. Look at the distributors in here. Look. And they got them dated, y'all. Numbered what they come out of. They're in here. Call them. Need an old C10 panel truck that's 50 foot long? Call White. This thing's got the heavy duty axles too. He'll pull it. I don't know how long this thing is, y'all, but it's got to be 22 foot long right here. Longest panel truck I ever seen. They got some Volkswagens too, y'all. I'm not 100% sure, but I think this may be all the Volkswagen Bug and Bus stuff that they have on the property. I've been quite a few places. I couldn't tell you 100%. If you're looking for some Volkswagen parts as far as bugs and buses, you may be looking at it right here. Maybe all they have. Can't tell you that for sure. Call and check. A couple old vans here. Cool vans. Need a part. You never know what they might have. Buses and buses full, y'all, of engine parts, drive shafts, steering columns, you name it, they have got it, y'all. This is a neat little Buick right here. Seen it earlier. Something new they've had. I hadn't seen it before. But the old car ain't bad, y'all. Not 100% it's original paint, but I believe it's the original paint on this car. Unfortunately, the engine is gone. And the transmission. It's a Buick Skylark. Somewhere, I guess, in the 60s. It's not a complete rust bucket. It's not that rusty, really. To be honest with you. The old door opens and shuts like a dream. It's got the seats in it. Probably needs recovery. little rust in the floorboards. Looks like all the interior and dash parts are here for the most part. Not sure if they possibly got a title for it, but I believe it bears the original paint. Watch this. Solid. Good little car. It's an early Skylark. I don't know, early 60s, mid 60s. Not sure. Look at the interior of this truck. Soft. This is a nice long bed C10. It's like a 3/4 ton. It's not in bad shape. It's got the hood. Got a little rust here. Not bad on the hood actually. I've seen a lot worse. It's got the doors under here. It's a straight gear in the floor. Probably 4-speed in the granny gear. It's got the V8 engine. Maybe that's a V6. Hold up. V6. As far as the rest goes, not terrible. It's got a little bit in the rockers. Maybe had an old repaired little patch. It's not a terrible truck. GMC. We're over here in Corvair land. Truck Central. If you need a truck part, I don't see how you couldn't find them out here. I'll be honest with you, ain't you, Billy?
It's a mess of them.
Roadrunner. Right up in the trees. You'll see that in there. Hope you see it. Trying to get in there. Seen that fancy pinstriper decaling across the roof, down around, all the way down the door. Still got the key in the trunk. That's old Roadrunner, y'all. That's just too cool right there. Old Rambler. I'll tell you what, if you got a Rambler out there, this is a nice looking grill. Pretty fair. Look, gremlins. May have been a AMC gremlin. This has got the fancy pinstripe down the side. Oh, it is a Levi's edition. No lie, they probably had a Levi's because they had the Levi edition Jeeps. This is a Levi edition Gremlin X. The Gremlin X. Levi's edition, y'all. 4.2 liter. I mean, that's throwing the fuel to it right there. Tell you what, that right there, y'all, is not a bad car. There you go, V8 in that thing, LS. Get the green ones. Look at this blue one. I like the pinstriping they had. It kind of looks like the Roadrunner kind of way it come across and come up. Oh me, oh my, look over yonder. We got to go down there, Bill. Is that a Volvo? Is that really a Volvo? Volvo 444. Ain't sure. Did that rhyme? Volvo 44, but I ain't sure. Know what that is. Impala, baby. Got the 3-tail lights. Boom! 63 Impala. Oh yeah, look at that. Still got some of the badging. Love it. Old Ford shoebox, I guess. Here's a 63 Galaxy. Look here. I love old decals and stickers and Ford Pintos too. I just love old cars. There's a Pinto wagon right there. Uh-oh, it's in the pudding blue. Falcon LTD 62 Ford Galaxy 500. I'll tell you what, ain't every day you see an old Plymouth truck. Thought I'd show this old girl off. Plymouth Arrow. I know. It's a good looking truck, ain't it? Keep. This is one of them Ford Couriers. Geo trackers.
I thought that was the top in there.
Uh-huh. This is soft top. See the roll bar on the back?
Oh yeah.
It had that soft top in
What's
it.
that thing?
That's the windshield.
Oh, from up here.
It's a Datsun. Look at this old shit. He's got the White's service station and auto salvage hat on since 1947. 75 years in business. I might have to let you keep that one.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I'll get it dirty.